Hey guys, so it's me and this is gonna be a taste review with okay, never mind, I'll show your face. Okay, so we are not outside, so you can see the surrounding. You can see the surrounding, like I feel like standing it. Yay! Okay. So it's the rice cracker from Daiso. And it costs $1,000 Singapore dollars. No lah, JK. And it's from Wang Wang brand, if you know that. Okay, so I'm just going to tear them open. Aya! Where is the thingy? Okay, here. There. Can see a hand moving here. So it's,
I eat one.
huh?
I eat one.
Eat lah. So it's this. You can see it's white. So I'm just going to taste it. Yeah, one bite already. Really sweet but can go and buy it. It's very cheap only It's like few packs of it. So yeah, bye.